Welcome to Eagle Complete course. In this video, we're going to learn how to install the Fusion 360 software. So, here on the browser, we're going to search Fusion 360 download. Then, we're going to select this Autodesk link here. You can download the free trial for 30 days, or you can buy the software with this cost listed here. The other option is, if you're in the education field, you can use the student or teacher license to get Autodesk account free for 4 years. In this video, I will demonstrate how to download the free one. So, just click this button and it will lead you to this page. If you choose the Fusion 360 free trial, they will ask you to sign in. You can use your Autodesk account you made before in Eagle. After you sign in, the file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. If you choose Fusion 360 for educational use, you will click this button to complete your educational community. Since I already completed my education information in the profile settings, Autodesk has already confirmed that. Then you can just select Get Product here, click Access, and it will automatically download the required file. If you're a student or working in an educational field, I really recommend you to use this license. While Fusion 360 for personal use is not as complete as the full version one, as you can see here. Now, after you have the downloaded file, we have to right-click on your mouse and select Run as Administrator. Then give permission by clicking Yes. Then, just wait until the installation is done, and you can use this software right away.